Morning guys, it's 10 after 6. I've been awake since 5. I've decided I should just get out of bed. I didn't need to wake up until 6:30, but my neck is killing me. I don't know what I did to it. I was able to sleep until 5, but then, anyways. Normally, if I had a regular position at work, I would call in sick today, but I don't have sick time because I'm a casual. So if I'm not there, I don't get paid. So I am going to work like this. If when I get there it's too much, I'll leave, but I don't want to lose a whole day of work because of this. I took Motrin going to bed last night. I didn't take one yet this morning because I want to eat something before I take it. Maybe I'll have a granola bar so I can take it Motrin. 1 second. Curling my hair is probably a bad idea right now, but I need to do something to keep my mind off of this. I'm going to eat this so I can take that Motrin and try to do my hair. Seamus left for work already. He leaves around 5:30. I am going to do this and then take Chip for a walk. I finished doing my hair, but that took a lot more time than it normally takes because I had to keep resting my arm on something. You might be thinking, Cara, you work at a hospital. Why are you doing your hair? I washed my hair last night. I wash my hair once a week, and I'm just doing this so it'll last a few days, and my hair is going to be up in a ponytail when I get to work, so don't worry, I'm not flailing around with my hair all day. Okay. This video might be negative and a little snotty. Apologies. Just a little weather update. It's -6, feels like -14. And that is in Celsius. That's cold. And with wind, oh my God. So we're bundling up and then we're gonna go.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, just got home from work. Just feeding Chip. Go ahead. Tomorrow is garbage day, so I'm just going downstairs in the basement to see what the garbage situation is like. We need to get a big plastic bin outside, but for now we keep our garbage in our unfinished basement. So there's just one bag down here. I'm just gonna take it up and put it on the landing so we can put it out in the morning. Yeah, so I think what I'm gonna do is have a little snack and then go to the gym. My neck is feeling better now, so I'm gonna go walk on the treadmill for a little bit and maybe do just some leg exercises so I don't hurt my shoulder / neck, whatever's happening here. But I'm just gonna have like a granola bar really quick. I just want to show you guys, I made a trade at work. My coworker had a Theragun and I knew he did, so I asked him to bring it to work so I could use it on my shoulder this morning. And then I used it again at lunchtime. It worked really good. So we did a trade. He gave me this Theragun as a trade for a cake. His wife's birthday is in a few months, but I'm gonna give him that cake, and he traded the Theragun. So it's just like a Theragun and you can put the different ends on it. So it just kind of like goes back and forth. You can kind of just massage the muscle that's sore. So I did this in the morning and then again at lunch, and it felt really good. So I think it was a good trade. It just comes in this case that you can zip her up and carry, and it opens up and it has the Theragun and then all the attachments and the charger. I just finished supper. Chip likes to sit here in case I give him something. But Seamus is in bed, so I just sat at my desk to eat supper with a YouTube video. I'm just watching a Disney vlog. If you watch Disney vlogs, you probably watch Brogan Tate, but she posted her last Disney vlog today, so I'm just gonna finish watching that, and then I'm gonna edit this video. So I'm gonna end it here. I don't think I filmed that much today, but some days are gonna be like that. Some days will probably be like 2-minute vlogs, and other days will be 10-minute vlogs. So just gonna keep uploading every day. If you like these vlogs, give it a big thumbs up. Scroll down, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from me, and stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Thanks for watching.